Hello, I didn't see you there. I'm Kalia Byard, and this is a how-to video about how to make mac and cheese in your microwave. Have you ever made mac and cheese, but you had to go through the tedious process of boiling water first? Why waste your time when you could learn how to microwave your macaroni? It'll be easy. I guess that's why they call it Easy Mac. God, who wrote this script? Step 1. Open your packet of Easy Mac and pour it into a microwavable bowl. Take your time. Step 2. Pour water into the bowl. Make sure it reaches just past the top of your macaroni. Oh no, too much! Step 3. Don't dump your mac and cheese in the sink in your attempt to lessen the water in the bowl. Step 4. It's time to microwave your macaroni. Put the mac and cheese into the microwave for 3 minutes and 45 seconds.
It's ready.
Step 5. Carefully remove the bowl from the microwave. Step 6. Open your cheese packet and pour the cheese crumblies into the pasta. You might have to add more water. Step 7. Now stir it right round, baby, right round, clockwise, baby. Step 8. Now this is the step where the package says that you should let your macaroni stand for about 2 minutes. But we all know that's just a bunch of butter spoons. Eat that hot mac and cheese like the true boss you are.
It's actually not that hot. It's more like a lukewarm.